I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 10 for grade 3 mathematics, guys. We were preparing for the topic of double and half. I have already taught you about the doubles, that if you need to find out the doubles, what you will do, you will multiply that number by 2. Let's suppose you want to find out the double of 2, so you multiply 2 by 2, that is 4. If you want to find out the double of 5, so you will multiply 5 by 2, that will be 10. If you want to multiply the double of 20, so you will multiply 20 by 2, that will be 40. If you want to find out the double of 15, so you will multiply 15 by 2 and that will be 30. Okay. Then we also have learned about the half, that half is the opposite of double. Half is the opposite of double. Is, in order to find out the double, you multiply by 2. So in order to find out the half, you have to divide by half. You have to divide by 2. Like the half of the double of 2 is 4. But if you find out the half of 4, so that's mean you will divide 4 by 2. So 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? That is 2. So half of 4 is 2. Half of 8 is 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Half of 10 is 5. So guys, regarding the concept of doubles and halves, everything is clear to you? The basic concepts, how to find out the doubles and how to find out the halves?
Sir, we do in the half at the y.
Very good. Now please open your books, page number 14. Today what we are going to do, today we are going to find out the double and half, the question answers which are on page number 14. Okay, so page number 14, guys, open your books, page number 14. Okay, if you don't have book, you can open the PDF file, or if you don't have the PDF file as well, then you can just look at the screen. On page number 14, guys, there's a question. The question number 1 is, guys, what is double of 50? And write the inverse statement. Guys, you know about the double. You know about the double, how to find out the double. But this word is new for you, that is inverse. What is inverse, guys? If you look at the page, so in the vocabulary section, the definition of inverse is written here. The opposite of something, reversing or undoing it. So the opposite of something is called reverse. The opposite of something is called double. So what is the opposite of double? The opposite of double is half. The opposite of double is half. And the opposite of half is double. The opposite of double is half, and the opposite of half is double. So what you have to do, guys, in the question number 1, first we will find out the double of 50 by multiplying it by 2. When we multiply 50 by 2, so we will get 100. 50 by 2, that will be equals to 100. Then we will write the inverse statement. What will be the inverse statement, guys? We will write we will write this question same, what is, but instead of double, now we will write half. What is half of, we will not write 50 then. Then we will take the answer. We will write what is the half of 100. And then we will find out the half of 100 by dividing 100 by dividing 2, and we will get again 50. Okay, so what you have to remember, guys, that what does the inverse mean? The inverse means opposite of something, or reversing something, or undoing anything. So in this question, what you have to do, first you have to find out the double, then you have to write the inverse statement. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
Very good. Now take out your notebook, please. We are going to start that work in our notebook. Take out your notebook. We are going to start that work. We are going to complete the 4 questions in the notebook. Can you see the new screen, guys?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. On the top of the page, write the today's date, that is 9 September 2021, and it is Thursday. The page we are doing, that is page number 14. And the topic name is doubles. The topic name is double and half. Double and a half. This is the topic name. I'm going to make it bigger for you. It is on page number 14. Topic is double and half. Take out your notebooks. On the top of the page, write the heading, date, and day and page number. And then I'm going to write question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is double 50? What is double 50? So guys, as I told you, first what you need, no, this is not the end of the question. What is double 50? Also write the inverse statement. Write the inverse statement. So what is double 50? And then you have to write the inverse statement. So first, what you are going to do, you are going to find out the double of 50. So for that, 50 and then multiply by 2. 50 multiplied by 2 equals to what? Yes, guys, 50 multiplied by 2 equals to what?
100.
100.
Very good. 50 multiplied by 2 equals to 100. You can just multiply this 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equals to 10. You will write 10 and then you will add the 0 with that. So 50 multiplied by 2 equals to 100. And you can check it by doing a simple multiplication as well. Okay. 50 multiplied by 2 equals to 100. Now, what is the next thing you have to do, guys? The next thing you have to do, that is to write the inverse statement. So the question is, what is double? So start writing what is, but what is the inverse of double? The inverse of double is half. Okay. So what is half? You will not write 50. Okay. You will not write 50. Instead 50, you will write the answer. What is half? 100. What is half? 100. What is double of 50? In order to write the inverse statement, what you will do? You will write half. What is half? 100. Then you will solve for it. 100 divided by 2 is equals to 50. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. Clear, guys?
Sir,
Yes,
Very good. Let's check the chat. What you're saying. Guys, don't need to send the useless message in the chat box, okay? Again, I repeat, guys. In order to find out the double of 50, what you will do, you will multiply it by 2. So the answer is 100. Then to write the inverse statement, you will inverse double. When you inverse the double, that is half, and half of the answer you have find out. What is half of 100? So you will see that what is double of 50 is also what is double of 50, that is 100, and what is half of 100, that is 50. Okay, so the double of 50 is also 100, and half of 100 is 50. So that you have to do. You have to find out, in order to find out the inverse, you will write the opposite of double, that is half, and half of what? Half of the answer. So again, you will get a number which is given in the question, that is 50. Clear, guys?
Sir, I know what
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you did not understand anything, you can send the message in the chat box and you can ask me. Then we will move to the question number 2. Yes. Anyone who did not understand anything in question number 1? Okay. Very good, Sharif. Is anyone who did not understand? Guys, if you want, I can show the division of this also. 100 divided by 2. How 100 divided by 2 is equals to 50? Look here. 100 divided by 2. So I will write 100 inside. Okay. And 2 outside. This is 100 and this is 2. Now, I will check out the table of 2 up to 10. 2 multiplied by what will give me 10? 2 multiplied by 5 will give me 10. I will write 10, 10 minus 10, 0. Now this 0 will go down. Now you have to find out, you have to check the table up to 0. 2 multiplied by what will give you 0? So 2 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. And 0 minus 0 equals to 0. And this is finished. So the answer is 50. In this way you have to divide. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand.
That's very good. Write the
Yes,
question number 2.
sir.
Question number 2, guys. Write it in your notebook. What is double 75? Oh, Allah. Yes, guys. What is the double of 75? First, tell me what is the double of 75? Very good, Sharif. Very good, Adam Khalid. Very good, Hamedo. Very good, Adam Khalid. What is double of 75? Very good, Hamedo. Very good, Adam Khalid. What about other students? Please answer. Ali, very good. Majid Awad, very good. So guys, in order to find out the double of 75, what you will do? You will multiply 75 by 2, and 75 multiplied by 2 equals to what? For that you need to do multiplication. So for multiplication, I will change the screen. Look here. This is 75. You will write 75. Then you need to multiply it by 2. 75 multiplied by 2. Now you will multiply 2 by 5. 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, 2 by 4, 8, and 2 by 5, 10. You will not write 10. You will write 0 here. 1 you will regroup with the tens. 2, 7, 14. 2 into 7, 14, and 14 plus 1, 50. This is how you will multiply. So 75 multiplied by 2 equals to 150. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So 75 multiplied by 2 equals to 150. So I will write here 150. Now I will write the statement, that is what is, again this is double. What is the inverse of double? Yes guys, what is the inverse of double? What is the inverse of double?
Half.
Yes.
Five.
Very good. What is half? So the inverse of double is half. What is half? Okay. Now I will find out what is half. The statement I will write the number which is answer. What is half? 150. What is half? 150. And then I will solve this too. In order to find out the half, I will write 150 and then I will divide it by 2. 150 divided by 2. So 150 divided by 2, again, how you will solve? For that, you check here. You need to divide 150. So you will write here 150 inside and 2 outside. Two outside, okay? Now you will check the table of 2 up to 15. Is there 15 in the 2 table? Now we will check. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 14, and 2, 8, 16. So 16 is bigger than 15. We cannot go with 16. So we have to move for the number which is less than 15 or equal to 15. So 2 multiplied by 7 will give us 14. 2 multiplied by 7 will give us 14. So 15 minus 14, after that we will subtract. 15 minus 14 equals to 1. 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Then we'll put this 0 down. And it is now 10. 2 multiplied by what will give us 10? 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, 2 by 4, 8, and 2 by 5 equals to 10. And then 10 minus 10, that is equals to 0. So 75 is the answer. That's why the half of 150 is 75. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Again, I repeat how you complete it. In order to find out the double, you know, to find out the double, you multiply it by 2. You multiply 75 by 2, you find out 150. Now, you have to write the inverse statement. The inverse statement of what is double 75 is, what is half? 150. The inverse of double is half. And then you will write the double of 75, that is 150. Okay. And the half of 150 should be 75. So when you divide 150 by 2, you get the answer 75. again. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
That's very good. Now I will complete question number 3. Did you finish writing up to question number 2?
No,
sir.
Okay. If you did not finish writing, then I'm going to ask you one question until you give me the answer. And those students who did not complete, they will complete it. The question is, what is half of 300? 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 Adam Khalid, very good. Amjad Muhammad, very good. What is half of 300? 300. Muhammad, I am asking what is half of 300. Guy, this question I am sending you in the chat box. Tell me what is half 300? What is half 300? Okay. Yes, what is half 300? All right, Sharif, I read your message. Ahmedo, very good. Abdul Rahim, very good. Ali, very good. No, Muhammad. What is half of 300? Yes, Sharif.
Yes, sir. I
What do you
don't
want to-
have the the divide in the numbers. I press in the numbers in the keyboard. I don't have the divide.
Look, you will find here. If you are using MS Word, you will find insert
No, I
and
don't. I am with tablet. Zoom.
okay. All right, no problem. Then you can use the slash also. Okay.
Slash.
Instead of
Okay.
yeah, the slash also represent divide. This one.
Okay. Thank
It also means divide. Okay. Okay, I received the answers in the chat box. Ayan, Suleiman, very good. Okay, Amjad Mohammed, 150 is the answer. So half of 300 is 150. All right, guys. I hope you must have finished it. Now I'm going to write question number 3. And for you, I'm going to zoom out so that you can write. Question number 3 is what is half 50? What is half 50? Guys, in order to find out the half of 50, what you will do? Yes, in order to find out the half of 50, what you will do?
we will do divide.
divide.
Very good. In order to find out half of 50, we will divide 50 by 2. We will divide 50 by 2. When you divide 50 by 2, you will get the answer that is, look here, guys. I show you there how to divide. You need to divide only 50. You need to divide only 50, right? So you will check the table of 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4. 2, 3, 6. 2 to 4, you will take 5 minus 4, 1. Then this 0 you will put down, and 2, 5, 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. So 2 multiplied by 25 will give you 50. That's mean that 50 divided by 2 is equals to 25. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. I know the
Very good. Now, guys, you will tell me the inverse statement of that. Answer me in the chat box the inverse statement of that. What should I write here? Inverse statement. What should I write after that? I have to write the inverse statement now for question number 3. Very good, Ali. Very good, Ali. No, Amjad Muhammad. How you will do it, guys? You will write what is first. What is, then what is the inverse of half? Tell me, guys, what is the inverse of half?
Sir, I write the answer in the chat. Write the answer in the chat.
Okay, I am asking what is the inverse of half?
I know multiplication.
You everyone know, but no one telling me the answer. What is the inverse of half? What's his name? What is the inverse of half? Yes. Very good. What is double? The inverse is double. Okay. Now, what is double of what number? For that, we will take the answer of that, 25. What is double 25? And then we will find out the double of 25. For that, we will multiply 25 by 2. And by multiplying 25 by 2, what we will get? We should get the same answer, 50. 25 by 2, 50. Let's check here, guys. You have to multiply 25 by 2, right? So look, this is 25. You write 25 and you multiply it by 2. So 2 by 5 equals to 10. 2 by 5 equals to 10. 0 here, 1 you regroup with that. Now 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 50. So you again get 50. The answer is 50. So 50 is the answer. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Then you will write question number 4. I hope, guys, you must have completed question number 2. I'm going to zoom in now. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is half of 500? What is half of 500? What is half of 500? What you have to do, guys? You have to find out the first half of 100. So because you are finding out the half, so you will write 500 first, and then you will divide it by 2. So 500 divided by 2. 500 divided by 2 equals to what, guys?
يلا قولي بسرعة.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It is 250. Let's check here, guys. 250. So you have to divide 500 by 2. Okay, how you will do it? Because you have to divide 500, you will write 500 inside. This is the rough work I am showing you. 500 and then 2. And you will consider 5 first. Check out, is there 5 in the table of 2? 212, 224, 236. No. Then you will go for the number which is less than 5. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now you will subtract 4 from 5. 5 minus 1, 4. And you will put this 0 down. It is now 10. Now you will check, is there 10 in table of 2? 212, 224, 236, 248 and 25? 10. So you will write 10 here and you will subtract 10 minus 10. Okay. Now it is not finished yet. You have that 0. Okay. Now you will put that 0 down. Okay. Now you will put that 0 down. And you will check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 0? So 2 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. And then it is whole multiply. So the answer is 250. 500 divided by 2 is 250. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's right. So you will write here 250. 500 divided by 2 is equals to 250. Right? Then you have to write the inverse statement. So in order to write the inverse statement, you will again write what is instead of half. What is the inverse of half? Inverse of half is double. And after double, you will take the answer of that 250. What is double 250? And you know it that its answer should be, if you find out the double of 250, that should be 500. So you multiply 250 by 2 in order to find out the double. And I write the answer first. That should be a 500. I show you how it is 500. Let's come here. You are multiplying 25 by 250 by 2, right? So you will write 250 and then you will multiply it by 250 by 2. So look guys, 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 0 here, 1 you regroup with 10. And then 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So this is 500. Clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So guys, this is the end of our topic double and half. This is the end of our topic double and half. If you have any question related to this topic, you can send the message in the chat box. I can take your question and I will answer you. Yes, guys. Anything if you did not understand from this topic, send the message in the chat box. Okay. All right. Yes, those students who have a question, they can send a message in the chat box so that I can take their questions and I answer them. No. No question, guys?
But sir, I
No,
have one
sir.
question
Yes,
like
sir.
this,
No, sir. No, sir.
I have one question only. I have one.
Okay, if you don't have a question, then I have a question. Okay. I'm going to ask randomly to 1 or 2 students. And I am going to ask by Ziad Ali. Ziad Ali.
Yes, sir.
Ziad Ali, please tell me what is the half of 30? Half of 30. Yes, Ziad. Ziad, I don't need background noise from you. Ziad, you can share your answer in the chat box. Amjad Muhammad, very good. He answered me in the chat box. Guys, you can also participate for the question I'm asking by answering it in the chat box. Okay, Ziad Ali, after Ziad Ali, I can take, who is using my name? MAC, who is this? Very good, guys, very good. Hello, can you hear me? Mac, who is using the name of Mac? Os,
Yes, sir.
Os, what is the half of 30?
What?
What is the half of 30?
Half of 30?
Yes. Yes. Okay, tell me one thing. In order to find out the half, you will multiply it by 2 or divide by 2?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes. Os, are you answering? Hello. Oh, he's not answering, guys. Yes, guys, what is the half of 30?
50.